Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can sync your UPBASE tasks with Google Calendar. This is your full 2025 guide, perfect for keeping all your tasks in one place and ensuring you never miss a beat. First off, you'll need to open your UPBASE dashboard. Now, why is this important? Because this is where all your tasks are stored, and it's from here that we'll be syncing them with Google Calendar. Now that we've done that, let's move on to finding the integrations section. It's usually located in the settings menu or navigation bar. This is crucial because it's the gateway to syncing UPBASE with other platforms, including Google Calendar. Once you've found the integrations section, you'll need to locate and click on Google Calendar. The reason we do this is to establish a connection between your UPBASE account and your Google Calendar. It might take a few seconds, so be patient. After you've clicked, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. This helps us because Google needs to verify it's you, ensuring your tasks and calendar are secure. Enter your details and grant UPBASE the permissions it requires. Next up, you're almost there. You'll see a list of your UPBASE projects. Choose the ones you want to sync with Google Calendar by clicking the Sync button next to each. This step is vital as it specifies which tasks get transferred over to your calendar. Let me explain why this matters. It gives you full control over what appears in your Google Calendar and what doesn't. Finally, once you've selected all the projects you want to sync, hit Save. Now, all your tasks from the chosen UPBASE projects will appear in your Google Calendar. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is sending all the task information to Google, which then organizes it into your calendar. And that's it. You've successfully synced your UPBASE tasks with Google Calendar. This is an excellent way to streamline your workflow, keep organized, and ensure you never forget a task. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay productive.